Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to free up a stuck transmission in a Polaris Sportsman. I was out cutting some trails and I got stuck on a hill. I tried to back up. When I went to put it in reverse, the gear got jammed. I was able to winch up the hill and drive away in 4 low. But after that, it's still in 4 low. I can't shift it into high or reverse. So if you're lucky, you might be able to get it unstuck without disassembling much stuff. I'm going to show you the shift mechanism so you can get a better idea of what's happening in there. So I've taken the seat off. It's pretty easy, just a lever, lift it off. And then down here I've disconnected this shift linkage from here. I pulled the side cover off first, and I've unbolted the shift mechanism from here. So, and that's so I can operate this to make sure that this is working. So this is how it shifts here: high, reverse, and then low. So I know it was stuck in low gear, and that was preventing me from shifting it into high and reverse. And that's this linkage back here. So the high and reverse linkage is this one over here. And as you can see, when it's in neutral, it doesn't quite reach. If I shift it into low, it lines up. So what I'm going to do is get at this from the other side with a long screwdriver and a hammer, and I'm just going to try and move that. We can't really reach it that well from the other side because the clutch cover is there, but this is what I'm aiming for, and I want to move that forward. So I'm going to try and tap it with a hammer. So this is what I'm doing here. I've got my hammer. I'm just going to tap it gently with the hammer, and it did come forward. Let's see. So we're lined up. So I think we've been successful here. Well, I'll put the linkages back together and go through the shift pattern, see if it works. I've got the low gear linkage attached now, and when I low gear, we're successful there. Alright, now for the forward reverse, high, forward, and reverse. It doesn't move much. That's not all it takes. So up here again, got both attached, high, reverse, low. Alright, we're all done. We're all back together, and I have reverse again. Happy with that. Should have let the thing warm up a little bit first. So if this was helpful, please support my channel by liking, commenting, share this video if other people are having this issue, and thanks for watching.